COMPUTEX is one of the most exciting events in the world in IT industries. And this year, we have brought so many foreign business partners and vendors and distributions channel partners come together to bring AI together for the world. And I'm very excited to see the new concept of AI ecosystem that's being launched this year. And I think that will be a revolutionary concept for the entire industry. As a Taiwanese, that I'm witnesses this in the market, I'm very excited and I can't wait to see what's coming next for the entire industry. I'm Elsie and I work for CONTEXT. We are a global market intelligence company that's based in UK. We track all the sales transactions for our business partner in the market. We provide market intelligence for our vendors, distribution partners, and also up to resellers, retailers, and to provide a bird's view for everyone to see the solid historical data as well as the IT forecasting to help them optimize their business and move forward. As a CONTEXT, a global company, I'm our representatives in Asia that I help Taiwan and all the Mandarin-speaking markets to bring connecting all the vendors and distribution partners together to foster partnerships and also to provide them a very transparent view of the market. In Taiwan, I help connecting our business partners such as distribution partners and reseller partners with the vendors, and I help provide very solid historical data for the IT market as well as the forecast for the entire year for our partner to see what is coming next for their business and as well as the entire strategies for the year. In CONTEXT, we track AI PC components and also cloud cybersecurities for the market. So hence, our business partner will be extended to all categories that's included. As Taiwan is the AI manufacturer hub of the world with TSMC here, and also we have lots of new AI partners coming together to build this AI ecosystem. And as Taiwanese, I'm very excited to see what's coming next, and I'm very also excited to work with our business partner together to help provide them the bird's view of the market, essentially, to come together and to bring this technology to the next level for the entire market. I wish everyone has a really good time at COMPUTEX and we get to foster many new collaborations and new partnerships and hope everyone has a good time.